Assalamu alaikum class 9. This is your computer class and today our chapter is data communication and computer networking. Data communication and networking. What is communication? Communication is the process of sharing a message. A conversation between two people is an example of communication. Data communication refers to the sharing of a virtual message like emails and instant messages. Basic terminologies of data communication. Data. Collection of raw facts and figures is called data. The word data is derived from Latin language and it is plural of datum. The text, numbers, symbols, images, voice and video which are processed by computer and digital devices are called data. Data communication is the process of transmission or transferring data electrically from one place to another. Data transmission means emission of data in any direction via wireless or wide media. Analog signal. Analog signal are the continuously varying signal or wave that changes with time period and used to represent data. An analog signal can be used to measure changes in some physical quantities such as light, sound, pressure or temperature. First, convert in electromagnetic signal if the data is in the form of text, hi, hello and human voices. There are some analog devices. Digital signal. A digital signal is an electrical signal that is converted into a pattern of bit to represent a sequence of discrete values at any given time. There are some digital devices. Bit rate. Data rate is the rate at which data is transferred. It is normally measured in bit per second. What is bit? Speed of bit means speed of data transmission. How many bits transmit in per unit time from one place to another? Bit rate may be in bit per second, megabyte per second, gigabyte per second, etc. Transfer in 1 second. Bit rate relate to the baud rate. The baud rate is the number of signal transmitted per second and one signal can represent one or more bit. Baud rate term is for signals. It shows the state the signals changes how many time in 1 second. Communication of component of a communication system. Number 1, message. It is information or data to be communicated. Common form of information include text, number, picture, audio or video. Sender. It is a device that generates and sends a message. It can be a computer, telephone, handset, etc. Receiver. Any particular digital electronic device which has capability to receive data in form of message. The location of receiving computer is generally different from the sending computer. Like sender It can also be a computer, telephone, handset, etc. Medium, that is a channel or path through which the message is carried forward sender to the receiver. Some examples include twisted pair wire and coaxial cable and radio waves. Protocol are the rule and procedure on which computer changes data on network. Sender and receiver follow some protocol to communicate with each other. In other words, a protocol is a agreement between two parties or vendor using communication device. 3 point of properties of good communication system. The effects of a data communication system depend on the fundamental characteristic which include delivery, accuracy and timeline. Delivery, making sure that the data is delivered, is the first fundamental characteristic of any communication network. The system must be able to deliver data in correct order to the correct destination. Accuracy, the system must deliver the data accurately. Data that has been altered during transmission and left incorrect is not useful. Timeline must be delivered in a timely. The data must be delivered in a timely manners. Late delivered data is useless. What we learned in this class? What is communication? Basic terminologies of data communication, component of communication system, and 3 point of properties of good communication system. Thank you.